What if I told you that the pain you feel isn't here to break you, but to rebuild you? That healing isn't about erasing the past, but about finding beauty in the scars it left behind. Welcome to today's video, where we explore Brianna Wiest's transformative book, This Is How You Heal. Together, we'll dive deep into what it truly means to heal, step by step. And the truth about healing. Healing isn't a straight path. It's not about moving forward every day or feeling better instantly. Healing is messy. It's a spiral sometimes. It feels like you're going in circles. But Brianna Wiest teaches us that this is normal. Healing means revisiting old wounds, seeing them through new eyes and learning something new each time. The first step to healing is accepting this truth. You don't need to rush. You don't need to have it all figured out. Your only job is to take it one moment at a time. Tutto. Facing the pain. Pain is inevitable, but suffering is optional. In her book, Brianna reminds us that pain is not an enemy. Pain is a guide showing us what needs attention and care. Yet most of us resist it. We numb it, avoid it, or bury it. But the truth is, what you resist persists. Instead of resisting pain, sit with it. Ask yourself, what is this pain trying to teach me? Is it asking you to set boundaries, to let go of a toxic relationship, to honor your true desires? When you stop running from pain, you begin to heal, letting go of the past. The past can feel like a chain around your heart, but Brianna Wiest reminds us that we are not prisoners of our past unless we choose to be. Healing means letting go, not erasing memories, but releasing the emotional weight they carry. Forgiveness is a crucial part of this process. Not for the people who hurt you, but for yourself. Forgiveness frees you. It allows you to reclaim your energy and move forward without resentment pulling you back. 4. The power of self-compassion. Imagine this. You're comforting a friend who's hurting. You wouldn't shame them or dismiss their feelings, right? Then why do you treat yourself that way? Brianna Wiest says healing begins with self-compassion, learning to be your own friend. Self-compassion doesn't mean avoiding accountability. It means treating yourself with kindness while you grow. Healing isn't about being perfect. It's about being real, accepting your flaws, mistakes, and humanity. Emotional regulation. Strong emotions often feel overwhelming. They make us react impulsively or shut down completely. Brianna Wiest offers tools for emotional regulation, ways to process emotions instead of being controlled by them. Techniques like mindfulness, journaling, and deep breathing can help you create a safe space within yourself. Remember, emotions are temporary visitors. Acknowledge them, let them teach you, and then let them go. 6. Building resilience. Resilience is the ability to keep going even when life feels unbearable. Brianna Wiest teaches us that resilience isn't about avoiding challenges. It's about learning from them. Every setback is an opportunity to grow stronger. To build resilience, embrace failure as a teacher. Welcome change as a chance to adapt, and most importantly, focus on gratitude. Gratitude shifts your perspective from lack to abundance, from pain to possibility. 7. Reconnecting with purpose. What gives your life meaning? What lights up your soul? Healing isn't just about fixing what's broken. It's about reconnecting with your purpose. When you align your actions with your values, you create a life worth living. Purpose doesn't have to be grand. It's in the small things, helping others, pursuing hobbies, and cherishing loved ones. Purpose gives pain meaning and turns struggles into stepping stones. Healing is a journey. It's not about erasing the scars, but learning to wear them with pride. Brianna Wiest's This Is How You Heal reminds us that healing is about remembering who we truly are beneath the pain. It's about choosing love over fear, hope over despair, and growth over stagnation. If this message resonated with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe together. Let's heal, grow, and thrive. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.